नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is cholelithiasis, also known as gallstones. Now, gallstones are formed from constituents of the bile, that is, cholesterol, bile pigments, and calcium salts, along with other organic components. Accordingly, the gallstones commonly contain cholesterol, bile pigment, and calcium salt in varying proportions. They are usually formed in the gallbladder, but sometimes may develop within extrahepatic biliary passages and rarely in the large intrahepatic bile duct. Almost always gallstones developed in the gallbladder, and it is developed due to the concentration increases in the gallstone and biles formation concentration changes which can cause development of gallstones. These are the common sites of gallbladder, and here you can see the gallbladder in and gallbladder have stones. In it can occur in cystic duct, it can occur in common bile duct, it can have in common at the opening of ampulla of Vater, which can cause blockage of the bile duct and leads to the acute cholecystitis, and sometimes it can leads to chronic cholecystitis. Risk factor of developing of gallstones. These factors, which largely pertain to cholesterol stones, can be summed up in the old saying that gallstones are common in 4Fs, acronyms for fat, f- female, fertile, and faulty. Some of the risk factors in lithogenesis are as under: genetic factors, age of the patient, sex of the patient, drugs that is using by the patient, obesity, diet of the patient, gastrointestinal diseases, and factoring the pigment gallstones. Pathogenesis of gallstones. The mechanism is explained separately below for mixed and pigmented gallstones. Pathogenesis of cholesterol, mixed gallstone, and biliary sludges. First is supersaturation of bile. Supersaturation of bile can cause development of gallstones. Cholesterol nucleation can also cause gallstones, and gallbladder hypomotility can also cause the development of gallstones. Pathogenesis of pigment gallstones. Now, first is chronic hemolysis resulting in increased level of unconjugated bilirubin in the bile. Alcoholic cirrhosis can also cause excessive pigmentation of gallstone. Chronic biliary tract infection, that is by parasitic infestations of the biliary tract, such as by clonorrhea sinuses and Ascaris lumbricoides. Demographic and genetic factors, that is in rural setting and prevalence in Asian countries. Type of gallstones: pure gallstones, pure cholesterol gallstones, pure pigment gallstones, or pure calcium carbonate gallstones, mixed gallstones, or combined gallstones. Symptoms of gallstones are nausea, belching, jaundice, increased body temperature, flatulence, pain in the right hypochondriac region, weakness, heartburn. Clinical manifestation and complication. Symptomatic gallstone disease appear only when complications develop. If the gallstone is present in a normal healthy person, there will be chance that the patient does not have any clinical manifestation. Almost 90 to 95% of cases when the gallstone develops symptoms, it occur due to the gallstone causes complication. First complication is cholecystitis, which is inflammation of the gallbladder, choledocholecysthiasis, mucocele and empyema, biliary fistula, gallstone ileus, pancreatitis, and gallstone also can lead to the gallbladder cancer. Here is a laparoscopical surgery of gallstone. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, JAYOTI VIDYAPEETH Women's University. I hope you all enjoy this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.